Good morning to everybody. It is Lizard Caveman. No weird looks yet. How wonderful. Alright, now we're down here at Withrow Nature Preserve today. Nature studies only, it says. And that's what we're gonna do. Wildlife management. About to manage this wildlife, that's for sure. Thanks, Parks. Alright. Here we go. Lizard Caveman on the loose. Now out here today, we are looking for anything we can find. Specifically reptiles, always, yes. Now we gotta have our wits about us on this walk, guys. Sometimes there can be witches in the woods. And it's like, which wood is which, you know? Which wood could witch if witches could wield wood? Which wood wielding which wood wielding witch would wield such a wood in these woods, you know? We're getting some good footy today. That's for sure. I mean, gosh dang, look. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. Oh, I got an ant on me. No worries. Let's tell Lizard Caveman, what's the craziest animal or encounter you've ever seen on a trail? Ooh, I see a little huntsman. Hold on. All right, well, this is part of the trail where I think that we're going to be closest to the creek, so we're just going to have to cut through this brush as gently as possible, of course, not to harm anything on the way down, including myself. Ooh, dang. Yeah. Check that out. Them's termites? Yep. Nice. Ooh, it tastes terrible. Alright, yeah, this is the part of the trail where we start blazing. You know what I mean? Just gotta carefully walk through whatever. You know, I loaded myself up with DEET for this, so I hope it's worth it. I hope there's zero ticks. On the ground, lizard! Oh, gotta be careful. There's all kinds of things that want to eat me out here. Whoa! Is this the episode where lizard eats shit? No. Not yet. Come on, guys. Don't force that on me. We're getting down to the creek unscathed. Unscathed. All right, here we go. Oh! The moss is wet. Let me switch hands here. Okay. Yeah. All right. You got it. Oh. New Scona Crucifix. Oh. Dang it. I wish I could have seen you, but he jumped and... Ugh. The spiders don't like to be on camera. They're like, lizard, don't put me on camera. I'm putting my makeup on. This is hard. Multitasking. Oh, no, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Na bequem baba. Oh yeah, no dogs barking that time. You just crawl down that ravine up there through the trail. No big deal, guys. No big deal. Snake check. Here I am. It's a primo snake check. What do we got here? Nothing in that hidey hole. Nothing there either. Just some like tree juice and wet. You know? God, it's so green in here. Do you think that the predator was like really astounded by how beautiful the jungle was before he started like having to kill all those people? Like, you think first steps he's like, oh, I like this planet, it's nice. Nah, probably just wanted to kill. No, predator's gotta get its prey, you know? Predator does what predator do. Or whatever it said in that cackling crackle language. Yocha. This little beauty. I forget what these are called, but they're not the bird poop spiders, but this one's a little one. And they grow up to have like big old spines on their back that just fan out and look like devil horns a little bit. And you see on the back of there, he's got that like black and yellow pattern. Looks like he's looking right back at us. That's awesome. How cool. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Oh yes, it works. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that little guy. Now, I didn't disturb his web when I pulled him out. I love these things. I'll put him back. Don't worry. But man, look at that thing. Cryptic. All right, little buddy. I think our time is nigh. Love you. Before we go, Mr. Spider, how many tickles does it take to make a squid laugh? Do you know? 10 tickles. Of course. I cracked myself up. I don't know. I think the brush looks a bit thick here. I don't know if I can get past that. This is no joke. I've slipped like 3 times off camera. But I didn't bust my ass. That's how you win. Bust my ass. By not getting your ass bust. Whew. There's a little bit of a clearing now. There's honeysuckles a mother out here. You know what I mean? Oh. Might have to go back to the car. Find another way. That. We're back on the trail. Oh. Dang it. All right. We have got to find some creek access today, if you know what I mean. Goodness gracious. I want to get my toes wet. I want to find them snakes. I want to get a little crawdaddy. I want to be a crawdaddy. Just lathered in snake juice, snake oil.